it's very strange telling people that. But my mum calls me short.
Today, some of us are going to be more informed, and particularly it's important for us politicians to understand and keep abreast of some of those issues, but it's more important that you as practitioners or those with experience share those so we can learn from each other and learn and think what could be different.
I feel that if I could attend today and give my story, it could maybe help some changes. It could, and possibly people who didn't have courage before to possibly get up and, get the help they need.
I think today's conference has been really great. I think one of the best things about it has been to see the real mix of people that have come. There's policymakers, but there's also people with lived experience. And we know that when it comes to addressing cost of living in London, we're not going to be able to sit in a room and think about solutions. We need to talk to those most affected, and this conference has done that.